Yes. Just looking at the Naval Forces Comnaf view. Yes. And Nav Tech Missile. Yes. Commander in Chief of the U.S. Fleet. Pacific Fleet. When I was on Guam, yeah, I spent some time during the Christmas time. Yes. And there were some individuals there that were invited, and they were stationed on Guam, Joint Region Marianas. Yes. One of them was one of these submarine guys. Yeah. And knowing that fish are attracted to water, yes, I'm a little concerned that somebody in Homeland Security thought that they were the United States Navy. Yes. Now, this looks like it's flying the Israeli flag. Oh. Now, I'm having some difficulty getting the actual laws of the United States enforced. Yes. And when you think of a submarine, yes, big diesel engine there, yes. You have a propeller there, yeah, one shaft diesel engine, electric motor. Oh. And then there was some satellites. Somebody wanted to take my picture. Poop. You know, I can appreciate persons that work for news agencies and those that are in CNN. Yes. But when I was on Guam, there seemed to be a problem. Yes. With the idea of Navy submarines shooting down satellites. Phew. Now, the Navy has a laser. Yes, it does. That they put on various Navy boats. Yes. But I said, with today's hydraulics, we can actually put a laser in a submarine. Yes. And we could GPS the coordinates of any satellite above me right now. And I could shoot down your satellite right out there. Now, CNN, now, I'm going to suggest that you move your satellites away from Clallam County. See, when I was on Guam, Joint Region Marianas was wanting to build what was known as the Marine Buildup. Yes, they were going to move some Marines from Okinawa to Guam. Yes, and there were lots of problems with doing that because somebody had to know what was going on. Yes, a large number of corporations, right, wanted to know what the U.S. military was doing. Yes. And somehow they got a hold of, oh, look at the Trident underwater launch system. Phew. Now, I would think that the U.S. Navy has the capability, yeah, to actually launch. U.S. Navy funded the development of the Poseidon replacement, the C-4 Trident. The Strategic Arms Limitation Treaty of SALT I. Yes, President Nixon was anxious to find a strategic system. Now, my concern is that these satellites that corporations own, yes. Why doesn't the Navy use one of their submarines? Yes. Point it right up into the sky and see if they can find any.